love. I'm close to reaching your place.
Okay, I'm waiting for you, but hurry, because I'm afraid.
The film or trailer you watched recently was created using artificial intelligence for free, along with a professional script and scenario. You can learn how to create your own movie in this video. Just follow along. First tool mentioned is Gravity Write. Register on the website, then go to Filmmaking Tools and choose Movie Trailer Script. Enter the film type, duration, and a short description, then click Create Content. A script with dialogues between characters will be generated. Copy and save it. Next, search for AI image creation. Choose the film type and style, and paste the copied script. The commands for generating images on the Leonardo website are provided. Visit leonardo.ai, sign up, click on AI image creation. Select the specified settings. Leave this options activated. Copy a command or scene, paste the text, and click Generate. As you can see, the images have been created. Continue the process, and if you encounter issues, simply search a site like Temp Mail, copy the email, and register again. Now that we've finished creating the images, it's time to add animation to the scenes using Runway Gen 2. Enter the tool, sign in, click Try with Image. Upload the first image. As you can see, an animation has been created for the image. Repeat the process for the remaining scenes. Note the watermark. To remove it, use the online watermark remover tool. Download the video, place the box on the watermark, and click to remove it. To make the images talk, use 11 Labs. Choose a suitable voice, paste the script, and download the audio. For lip syncing, use the Wave 2 Lip tool. Set it up, upload the video, add the voice, and click Start Crunching to make the image talk. To edit all of this, use any video editing software. If you're a beginner, I recommend CapCut.com. It's free and user-friendly. Simply edit the clips, combine audio and images, and consider using sound effects. You can download them from pixabay.com or any other site. And with that, we've reached the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.